You want to make managing your home finances easier and smarter? Let's check out the best home finance apps to help you take control, okay? This video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. So I want to know, are you struggling to keep track of your home expenses or save for a new house? Listen, managing money can be hard, but the right app can make it easier and even fun. So with the best home finance apps, you can keep everything organized and see where your money is going, okay? So one great app to try is called Mint, okay? It helps you track all your spending and set budgets, making you stay on top of your finances. So Mint, check that out. Another excellent choice is YNAB, stands for You Need a Budget. It helps you plan ahead for expenses and even save for big goals like a down payment on a house. So if you're looking to manage your mortgage, HomeBudget is a great tool. Check out HomeBudget. It helps you track your bills, your rent, your mortgage payments so that you never miss a due date. For something simple and easy, PocketGuard is a perfect app for tracking how much money you have left after your spending. You spend it on your bills. So if you're ready to take control of your home finances and make smart decisions, I wish it for you. I hope you do. Like this video. If you got anything out of it, I love you.